Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Stradivarius application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And after that, click on the notifications button, which is the fourth one. Here you can find that if you activate the notifications or enable, you can get information about the status of your purchase, about special events, so new launches, limited edition collections, exclusive parties and events, and also about discounts. So click on the activate button down below and you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to enable the app to have access to your notifications by tapping on the fifth button and click on allow notifications. So if you go back, you will be able to see that you have enabled, and here at this section you are going to find all of the relevant ones. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.